Good morning. Happy Friday, June 12th, 2020. This is the last day of school. You've made it. Congratulations. I hope you all have a great summer. There's no new work today, but I do want to go through our normal routine just one last time. So here is our meme of the day. Dobby is a free elf. He has no master. It's from Harry Potter, if you don't know, but that would make me sad if you didn't know that. But I understand. Your tasks are to watch this daily message, complete your work, turn in any assignments. Also, today is your last day to check in with me for attendance. I think in 7-1 there's still 2 kids I haven't heard from yet, so please reach out to me so I'm not marking you absent again. If you came to pick up your laptop and I saw your parent or you, that did count as your contact. Alright, like I said, finish any incomplete work, have a great summer. One last announcement. I have been debating whether or not to say this, but I think I just wanted to let everyone know that unfortunately I will not be returning tomorrow next year. I've decided to move to another school. I'm going to be teaching at Kappa next year. So just know that I really enjoyed working with all of you. I'm going to miss you. I wish you all the best luck when you're in 8th grade next year. If you need to get back in touch with me, you can still do so through Teams. Sorry that our year got cut short and I didn't get to spend a full year with all of you, but I am going to miss you and I wish you all the best in your future. Good luck in 8th grade. Good luck in high school. Have a great summer. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. I'm going to miss all of you. Bye-bye.